our friends, I decided to make you my new project.
Oh, you really don't have to do that.
I know exactly what they need. And even in your case, though it's the toughest case we're here to face, don't worry, I'm determined to succeed. Follow my lead, and yes, you will be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the proper voice when you talk to boys. The ways to avoid sometimes. I'll show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be popular. I'll help you be popular. You'll hang with the right course. You'll be good at sports. Do the sign you've got to know. So let's start, 'cause you've got it all to know where you're going. Don't be offended by my frank analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis. No matter chosen to become a palaces. To hit it like nobody wants it. Not when it comes to popular. I know about popular, and with an assist from me to be who you be, instead of dreaming who you were. Well, art is nothing that can stop you from becoming popular. Lord. You'll be popular. Just not quite as popular. Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you can pull me the wizard that there is or was is ever gonna bring.
suur fänn nii filmis.
Miks me neli tantsijat kokku siin ja me ei hakka seda muusikat laskma? Lõika korraga välja, teine koht kuulub tantsukellile.